Lieber Logo-Anwender,
Dear logo users, when I attend trade fairs, customers are constantly telling me that Logo 8 can be optimally networked, and so there's really no need for any additional automation technology at home. I see things a little differently. When I think back, everyone used to have just one lamp hanging down from the ceiling in the center of every room. In the living room, there would be a chandelier with 2 switches. Nowadays, we expect at least 5 to 7 different light sources to be used in living spaces to create a feel-good atmosphere. But this means that I'm left with multiple panels of switches in areas where lights are used. People not only have an entrance door, most have a terrace or balcony door as well. So obviously, they also want to be able to switch lights on and off at different doors. They also want to be able to control lighting from the couch or armchair. This means that there will be 3 or 4 switch panels in the living room. If you think about it for a minute, you will realize that there is a great deal of wiring required for these switches. Not only the cable needs installing, also all the wires need to be connected effectively, which often leads to incorrect wiring. You can avoid this trouble by using a modern KNX switch. I have all the different functions that switches provide in just one single device. And I have just one line to power the device and connect with the system. Now I can not only switch lights, but I can also display messages, temperature levels and other things. Let me show it to you here on our model. Here we have a logo configuration, which these switch elements are connected to. At the end, we can see a KNX module, which the logo can use to communicate with KNX components. For example, I can send signals, which logo receives, to outputs of logo, or to outputs of the KNX switch. Now I can create a cross-connection here, where I can connect from logo, from the switch, and also from this display. This gives me a lot of flexibility. However, I can make even better use of the KNX switch. I have LEDs here, for example. I obviously don't need these to indicate that the light in the living room is on. I could use them to show that the garage door is open, that the roof window is still open, or convey other information. I can also have the display show values, temperature levels, the fill level in a tank, or similar items. I can also create alarm signals. That is something I can't do with these conventional devices. As you can see, using Logo and KNX in combination will significantly increase your comfort and safety at home. Logo. Ingeniously simple. Simply ingenious.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.